So yeah, what a disappointing result according to me. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zamalek 1, and yeah, man, I don't actually have a lot to say. If like a big audience, I don't actually have a lot to say, because we gotten dominated while we were playing there at home, But one thing that I can say, which is actually positive, and I'll actually give my flowers for you now, is that congratulations to Solomon for actually scoring back to back, for trying to save us, even though he was not successful. But yeah, I just want to say congratulations for him for scoring back to back. I hope this thing, push up phambili and look forward, boy. And yeah, man, this are difficult times, so and Dipakani yaqeda nokuwina manje. So need congratulations to them for going on top of Iloko. What a weekend to be a Khosi fan. Damn.